this is Samana, the yoga instructor and one of the physical therapists at Wellness 360. And so I'm going to do another yoga movement for the week. In June, we're going to be starting our Yoga for Osteoporosis class on Mondays. And our focus is on poses that can help to build the bone density and bone health in both the spine and the hips and a bit in the upper body as well. So we're going to go over a pose today, tree pose, which is one of the best poses for working on the strength of the femur bone or the thigh bone and helping your hip joint to be healthier and stronger to hopefully prevent fractures and falls as well, because it also works on your balance. The easier version, or the more modified version, especially if you have significant osteoporosis or if your balance is not secure, is to do a version where you put one foot onto the chair and then you turn your foot and you're bringing your leg out in this position, which is the classic position for tree pose. And then you would just bring your arms up, your elbows by your ears, and you're looking straight ahead, shoulder blades drawing down towards the spine. Ideally, you want to stay in the pose for at least 45 seconds. And then you would do the other side. If you're a little more advanced and you want to move to the more advanced version of this, then you can turn your chair, and then you can use your chair with one hand on the chair. You stand on the leg closest to the chair, and then you put this foot either above the knee or below the knee, but not right on the knee joint. You tighten the buttocks muscles on this thigh, and then you're trying to work this knee back in space, standing straight and upright, shoulder blades drawing down, one arm lifted. If you feel like your balance is safe enough, best to have a wall behind you just for safety. But then you can also try lifting the other arm to go to the more full classical pose. You do want to make sure you're tightening the muscles on that standing leg. And again, you're trying to stay in that position for ideally 45 to 60 seconds and breathing. And so that's a wonderful pose to work on for building the bone density and helping the strength of the femur bone and the thigh, and again, working on your balance. As far as gazing point, I would focus on gazing either straight ahead or slightly down when you're in the pose. So that's it for now, and I'm hoping folks will want to experience the class to try to minimize bone loss and improve bone health.